This video demonstrates how to set up email signatures in Sigsync. Follow the below steps to set up Sigsync email signature for your Office 365 tenant. Register Office 365 tenant. Create signature templates. Set signature rules. Configure Exchange Online connectors. Add SPF record. As a first step, you must register your Office 365 tenant in Sigsync to centrally manage email signatures. Log in to Sigsync using Office 365 account. Select the Manage Signatures tab from the dashboard. Select Register and Manage Tenants. Click the Click Here button and follow the wizard to proceed with the tenant registration. Refer Register Office 365 Tenant video for more details. Step 2. Create signature templates. Select the Signature Gallery tab from the dashboard. Sigsync provides hundreds of pre-designed templates that are suitable for most of the business. Let's pick a template from the template gallery. Now, you can use the same template or modify as per your requirement using the signature components. Refer Create Design Email Signature Template video for more details. Step 3. Set Signature Rules. Select the Signature Rules tab. By default, Sigsync will create a rule named Default Rule with most common settings. You can keep the default rule or create a new rule and assign the required signature template. Refer Set Email Signature Rules video for more details. Step 4. Configure Exchange Online connectors. Select the Configure Connectors tab from the Sigsync dashboard. Select Server-Side Signatures and click the Configure Connectors button to proceed with the Exchange Online connectors configuration. Refer Configure Exchange Online connectors video for more details. Step 5. Add SPF record. Add Sigsync domain to your SPF record to inform servers at the receiving end that our service is authorized by your domain to process the email. This helps in preventing mails to be marked as spam, junk, spoofing, or phishing by the receiving server. From the dashboard, click the SPF Records button to know the details to add Sigsync domain to your SPF record. That's it. Start sending emails from Outlook. Your email will be attached with the signature. Sign up with Sigsync.com.